Hi guys, and welcome to Copy Trading Chronicles. Today we will review my October results, last 90 days results, and we will talk about how do I survive during Bloody Friday on October 10th. All those and my subscriber performance we will do review in this video. So let's start then. So let's start from October results review. You know that October was very negative months for the traders, and this biggest market collapse which happens on October 10 when traders lose billions. Officially traders lose about 20 billions during just few hours of all crypto market fails and collapse. There was like many liquidations, and officially they report like 20 billions, but some unofficial investigators say that it's probably 4 or 5 times more because exchanges keep information hidden, because nobody wants to make shocks. But anyway, so millions of traders lose their money, a lot of investors lose their money, burn deposit. So, and successfully, because I'm not hyping, I'm trying to keep my trades stable and locking. My performance around 21%. So you see, I'm not just avoid liquidations, but also did slide. I mean, 20% per month is not so bad for especially such months as October, And maximum drawdown which I get during this fall, you see, is 42%, which is also manageable. So what was success and why I did it, So first of all, it's instrument which I'm trading. As you know, I'm trading only on Solana. And Solana is one of top 3 assets. I mean, Bitcoin is number 1, Ethereum is number 2, and Solana is number 3. And it helps me to avoid liquidation because many people using meme coins, altcoins, etc., which give you big hypes growth, like pump and dump strategy, and trying to catch the benefit fast profit from that. My strategy is absolutely different. So I'm not looking for the fast profit. I'm looking for the stable profit. And it's one of the key components, how I choose and what instrument I choose to trade. And I believe that because I choose to trade one of top 3, it could be Bitcoin, it could be Ethereum, but I choose Solana because it's good balance of volatility and stability. So finally, when all market collapse, many meme coins, altcoins collapse for like 70-80%. Solana collapsed just 40%, Ethereum collapsed around 30%, and Bitcoin collapsed just 20%. So you see, those 3 demonstrate good stability. So it was one of the success why I didn't get liquidations, because I do not invest in any meme coins. I do not invest in shitty coins, how we call them, those altcoins with a small capitalizations. So I invest in the stable, predictable coin, Even Solana is still altcoin, but it's predictable. Capitalization of Solana is big. And the second successful story, it's my leverage. So I'm trading on the leverage of 3, So you see, even Bybit give me the badge like low leverage. So it means I'm trading on the low leverage like 3, sometimes 4. And despite all the market just collapsed, you see, I get badge of Bybit of win stick. So it means my win rate is quite good compared to other traders. So this is a 2 achievement. And of course, how it looks on my followers, As I mentioned, people lose millions or billions of dollars, and investors lose billions of dollars on this market collapse because they invest in the traders and like high hyped traders, and those high hyped traders, they fail and destroy the deposit. So how looks my investors? You see, so my investors portfolio looks very healthy. It's real time, guys. If you in doubt, you see it's real times. So I can show you the trades. So there is an open trades which is running in real times, and my followers. So you see that my longest followers, again, I'm about long investment strategy. So you see my longest follower who follows me more than 2 months already, he almost doubled his deposit, yeah, like 160, 110 he invests and 200 he gets, so it's plus 85%. And my most fresh one, it's 20 days, he get around 22% for 20 days, which is correlating with my 30 days performance, like 31%. So you see, it's proven by traders. So there is no investors who invest in me and lose on this bloody Friday, 10th of October, yeah? You see, all my investors not only save the investment deposit, but they also increase investment deposit, so they gain. They gain, and which is a good result, I believe, because trader can easily start to trade back, but some investors, they invest money, significant money, and they of course willing for stability, yeah. So I many times hear with models that for investors is key achievement is do not lose deposit. Yeah. If you gain, it's already good, but if you do not lose, it's already acceptable, you know. So I keeping this philosophy now when I'm trading, and I think that it's safety is better than profitability, risky profitability. Yeah, so it's say why I'm not investing in any risky activity. So as I say, my 30 days stats looks average, I would say, and let's look on 90 days. Yeah, so you see the 90 days curve and 90-day performance results. ROI 162%. This is a goal. You see, so you can have some good or not good result within short-term periods like 7 days, and a bit average maybe on 30 days results. But for 90 days, for long-term run, I keep good stable results. So as I showed you on my investors portfolio, so persons who invest long-term and do not jump in, jump out for the trying to catch big hypes on risky actives, he get significant result. Yeah, he almost double his deposit. And it's what my strategy. So this is long-term activities, build it for stable investors. Like you invest and you forgot. So you don't jump in, jump out every 2-3 days and trying to catch who is more profitable, who is on hype on leaderboard. Yeah. So you see how it works. I'm not on the Bybit leaderboards, but I'm delivering stable result. I survive during crypto market collapse. And as I did in my previous video, many of leaderboards who advertise that they survival time like 2-3 weeks, because when guys doing 400, 500, 1000% per 7 days, I mean, they're doing very risky investment, yeah. And usually it's not running and not surviving in the long-term strategy. And my goal is opposite. I'm avoiding risky assets. I'm building my trading for long-term strategy. So if summarize, October was not a very bad month as it could be, like for millions of other traders, yeah. And you see 21% of 30 days, and 3 months result is absolutely confirm my strategy, validity of my strategy. Then it's profitable and it can work in the long term, even despite some drawdowns during some market shocks, etc. So in general, crypto is a very high risk investment, yeah, and to manage this with minimal drawdown, it's good. So back to the questions. What helps me to survive and demonstrate positive result? As I say, number one is a selection of assets. Means I'm trading only on Solana. I don't spray my attention and money of my investors for the different meme coins, pump and dumps coins, you know, so all those shits I'm absolutely eliminated from my trading strategy. And the second point is low leverage. So means I'm entering in the deals only with very low. And for example, you see now I have long, which is running on Solana, so I expect it's slightly around 0 point, like my entry point 187 and price now is 186.7, so it means we are almost at the 0 level. And you see liquidation price is 110, so it means I didn't get liquidation until price will go down to 110. So, and it's very, very deep versus from now, yeah. So many people get liquidation like if price goes 180, 170. So that's not my style. My leverage is 3 now, and yeah, I take care of investment money. So I continue to trade, and the plans for November to keep this strategy. Hopefully market will improve a bit because now it's in very, very volatile phase. It's unpredictable movement, but still minimal profit, like 20% per month is possible and achievable. And in November, I hope it will bring more results. So now it's proper time to subscribe, invest, and join me in my trading if you trust me for sure. And yeah, if you watch this video, if you found this useful, put like, subscribe, stay with me, more updates coming. I will update you regularly on the every 2 weeks, like mid of month review and the full month review. So today we get October review and the last 90 days result review, which I will continue to keep on monthly basis. So thanks for watching, subscribe, like, and stay with me. I wish you the good profits and stable tradings.